How many security architects here still lose sleep because your threat models feel like guesswork? Traditional checklists fail to catch zero-day attack paths, dread scoring gets buried in ambiguity, and attack trees devolve into chaos without structure. This pack changes the game. You'll master stride threat categorization to dissect data flow diagrams, automate dread risk quantification with Python scripts, build attack trees in Mermaid syntax, and deploy mitigation playbooks for OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. For security architects, threat analysts, DevSecOps leads, and compliance officers, this isn't just modeling, it's battlefield prep. Spoiler, the only thing you'll be prioritizing after this is your victory lap. Here's what's inside the threat modeling pack. Data flow mapping with TLA plus specifications. Stride threat categorization using MITRE ATT&CK aligned patterns. Dread scoring automation with weighted risk algorithms. Attack tree generation in GraphViz with probability annotations. Mitigation playbooks for container escapes, IDORs, and supply chain attacks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. You'll get attack simulation frameworks, risk heat maps in Excel with conditional formatting, and even compliance crosswalks for NIST 800-115 and ISO 27001. This isn't theory, it's your new Red Team playbook. Installing the threat modeling pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add threat modeling pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: 12 attack tree templates, dread scoring spreadsheets with macro automation, stride mapping guides, and mitigation playbooks with Ansible remediation scripts. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI now speaks fluent threat intel, OWASP ZAP integration, and attack tree syntax. No PhD in cryptography required. Just run the command and let your coffee mug read Chief Threat Architect while your AI handles the rest. Ready to model like a hacker thinks?